Hey, hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is The Daily Rage. I hope that you had a great Thanksgiving holiday. Now we are back at it. It's December, final month of 2024. So let's see what we can do. Let's look at the NASDAQ versus the Dow futures today because they were definitely going in opposite directions. This one is the NASDAQ on a 2-minute time frame. You can see that pre-market we were pretty choppy. I was trying is the key word. I was trying to do a couple things back in here. Ended up down on the day already, which is never fun going into the open already at a loss. It did press higher here. I was able to get, a teensy win on a micro and then lost again on my next trade. So after that, I was like, okay, this is pretty much it. I tried a couple more things up in this chop. None of them worked out. So I ended up with this P&L for the day. Thankfully, it is less than my max loss, which is $1,000 a day. I'm going to add in a little accountability this month because I am running an intensive about getting funded. So we did what sometimes happens and lost a fair bit of money in front of all the people today. But just to show you guys, this does happen. And the whole key of it is to keep your losses in check. So that's why if I can stay within my max loss, I'm good to go. I can come back tomorrow. Nothing is, completely ruined and I can start fresh. So if we look at the Dow, though, on the other hand, this one, pre-market, it did press higher and then a huge doji. Basically, I mean, you could even call that a spinning top because there's a tiny little body of that candle there, but a whole lot of wick, which means huge indecision. And it did eventually decide to press lower. So that's a really nice move on the Dow. Kind of chilled out right here, but then continued lower, spiked up, fractaled, and then went even lower still. So this one, to my eye, would have been much easier to trade than the NASDAQ. It did have its fair share of chop for sure, but not nearly as bad as the NAS. As a heads up, Apex just announced their 90% off Cyber Monday sale. So now would be the best time to grab a new account, more accounts, whatever you would like to do. There's a coupon code and link down below for that. There's also still time to join my How to Get Funded intensive this month. That's on sale through tonight, through the end of Cyber Monday. That ends at midnight Mountain Time Zone, but you'll get my course, How to Get Funded, and the intensive, which is where we're trading together 3 days a week, all throughout this month. And that until tonight is still 50% off. So if you want to jump in on that, you still have time to get in on the action and join us for the intensive this month of December. I'll add the link and coupon code for that down below as well. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to reach out. hello@lucra.com is the email address. I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the live room. I'm Mindy Kniss. Thanks so much for watching.